Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. So this project is the final walkthrough of the little journal that I made using some leftover pieces from my other open book project. So this is what it looks like. It measures 5 3/4 by 6 1/4, and the front just has some pieces from the collection, and then I have no idea what this is. This is just a wood piece I had in my stash, and then this is the open book flower pack, and then I've got, that's what that is too, and then I've got it tied with some ribbon here, some seam binding. So let's go ahead and open it up. And so this is just a little journal using some scraps. So, and I did do some decorating. I've got some lace in here, and I've got a couple pockets here and there with cut aparts from the open book collection by Maggie Holmes. So I do have about, I would say, maybe half of the 12 by 12 paper left of that stack. And so it probably will go in my D-stash because I kind of feel like I'm done making projects with this collection. But you can see it's just a really, it's literally a journal. You can put pictures in there if you'd like, but there's lots of white space for writing, which makes, you know, this type of paper, the one-sided paper, really great for this type of project. And so I've linked the tutorial below. It's from Lyric Lover. And I think I showed you guys really quickly how to make one of these. So you can watch part 1 of this video. And so I did put little bits and pieces from the collection and then from my stash. Just a little bit here and there for this one is like a pocket, and there's a lot of pages in here. I forget how many I said in the video. I think it's 20. It's a lot. So that, and I really do love how this one came out. There's a little pocket here, a little card. But I kept it really basic so that it can be used as a journal. And then I did put a little bit of ribbon on the back. And then that is my project. So really simple and easy. So if you want to see how I made it, you can watch part 1. Or you can go ahead and click on the Lyric Lover link and see how she made it, because I've made this before as well. But this size is perfect, you know, for a little journal. And what's nice is I also used up some scrap paper. So once you cut a paper for a project, and then you don't know what to do with some of the larger scraps, they may not be quite big enough for maybe a full album, or maybe you just don't want to make another album. This is a nice little project. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, the Crane of the Heart.